close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And
akala ko ground.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Mamaya check out.
I don't wanna waste
kailangan na itong
the storms we chase are leading us.
Maxim
Love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Maxim pickup location, destination is USPF. Wait na lang tawag. Ito na ang driver. Ito tag USPF for our second day venue sa coaching clinic. Almost 15 minutes siguro biyahe o 10 minutes. Dasig raman na kay Balaban. Wait na lang tagtawag sa driver. Maxim. Ano si Manong? Maxim Rider. Good morning, sir. Ito tag USPF, sir. Laog. USPF. Laog. Okay, kung gusto niyo guys, affordable o gasig kayo, kung response sa inyong kinanglan, Maxim is always on the go sa inyo ha. So, very suggested jud kay almost first time na ako nagamit diri sa Cebu, and dasig na kayo ito. Walay hassle, dasig kayo. And I'm riding now sa kay Kuya. Sino name Kuya? Melvin, Kuya Melvin o Maxim. At tumog Cebu guys, pag Maxim na lang mo, ayaw mo pag jeep.
Melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Kuya, kuya. 73 guys. Grabe. 73, makabiyahe na ka. Okay. Oh, kuya. Thank you, kuya. God bless, kuya.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
What's up guys? Good morning. This is our day 2 training for coaching academy here in Cebu. He's June 15, 2025. Sorry I'm late kasi medyo na late ko sa pag-prepare sa akong mga gamit. Pasawain yung coach guys. Mamati ta guys. Always mamati jud ha.
Through active movements or mimicking the movements sa inyong activity na buhaton, so which is basketball. So unang buhaton, for us to loosen the joints. Style is after they reach the other baseline, ako silang ipa-jump back to the other baseline, and dito na sila mag-over the stretch. Right knee to chest, you take a few steps, and other leg. Another few steps, other leg. Next, after sa undergoal, palayo ka sa elbow lapit. So, ilika mo sa elbow lapit, pizza. Ano siya?
Coaches, pwede mo mag-join karon o pinano mo ng pizza, exercise kamay, pwede mo manao, bakit sa warm-up lang.
Lumas! Ikat! Lumas!
Guys na nagbuatan ay kadali sa coaching clinic kay gigutom ko. Buhay ko na mahaw guys. Sa Pudi Park. Sa Nguyong Express. Ada guys sila food. Oh. Sige lang. Yan. Importante jud, pay as you order jud. Okay, prepare na ni ma'am akong food. Gutom na ko. Guys, muna akong pamahaw.
Karon mo ni ako yung drill. Kasagaran na mo nakuha ka drill sa kulat is na apasay ko sa China o sa Canada pa. Iba mo kita ko sa drill o sa ito ang tapos. Then, yung places ako sa alam ko. Come. 1, 2, 3, 4, go. Next, 3, 1, same, 4 dribbles and pero on your 4th dribble it was over to that. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dribbles na. 3 or 4 passes, lay up. Okay, go. Go. Rebound, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, go. Next. 1, 2, 3, lay up. Good, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, nice. Go. 1, 2, go. Nice. Hey. Okay, question. Tanan yung biguan nila napasa na ito po sa game list. Wala na kipaw, kamusta nila dito. Find a way, every time you are on your advantage, find a way to catch the defender and give it to your teammate. Jadi atake ka sa sila na. Elate siya naman. Pasa sa score. Score. Wala. Go! Go! Match ball, wala ka ako nung play, match ball. Oh, next group. Hold. Stop. Ayaw mo lang makula. Score, 1 minutes 2. Ang balik 2 versus 1. Balik 2. Mga, mag-15 lang. Oh, go. Madali mo na rin yan. Go. Pause. Hold up. Go another coaches. Okay. Let's jump. So we from transition into second line.
You study your personnel kung ano yung nandiyan lineup mo. So that is first. And based on the personnel, yung personnel nyo, then you craft an offensive system. O ano magandang sistema offensively yung gusto mo i-implement. Pero, sabi ko na din, may 4 na criteria in a structured system. 4. Player movement, spacing, and reach. Then next is yung defensive foundation. What are we going to try to accomplish defensively? Only lang yung ginagawa. Pero, perfect yung ginagawa.
Okay, so, if nakadungog mo na mong buha, wa nila yung isip istorya, concepts. Spaces, okay? If siya ang opensa, okay? Sa offense, sa spacing, na ay strong side of weak naman.
Yes.
Asa ang strong side?
Kung asa ang
Sa weak side. So, konsepto na mo, on the weak side, dapat dili mo pwede bantayan kung gusto ka tao. Strong side, weak side ha. So, sa aton na to, pag weak side, kailangan dili pwede bantayan si Aurelio, duha kayang bantayan. Dili pwede. Asa ka? Dili ang bola Aurelio. Asa ka dapat? Drive mo. Asa ka? Yan. So, asa ka dapat? Unahan nga rin Aurelio. Asa ka dapat? Wala. Okay. So, tanawin yung sakto at spacing. Ano man? Nasa sa wheel, nasa sa corner. Sa weak side, meaning, ang first concept, kung naa mo sa weak side, dapat di mo pwede bantayan o gusto na tao. Asa ka dapat? Arang ka! Asa ka natin naman? Kung mo-drive ko rin, help ka. Ano ninyo? Makakapot ka kasi, alien.
Ikaw.
Ano nyo? Hindi na. So, muna doon ang konsepto.
Time out, coach. Time out. Coach, isa pa, coach. Isa pa.
Slow motion na to. Game. Come on! kailangan aware ng lima kung kailangan sila. Ito, importante, pag magiging mo kumpensa, kailangan sa specific. Kailangan kabalo yung mga, ang 5 katao, kabalo yung sinita mo. So sa part. No roll, no split, no... Sister, oh! Ano sa ito na lang sa ito mo, kaya na. Kasi tingnan mo. Siya, oh. Yun. Pag wala ko yung dito, so ito yung sponsor.
What's up guys? We're claiming the certificate here after the 2 days training.
Ini, pwede hula picture ng
Oh. Thank you SBP.